Please subscribe, share and like this video. Let's begin. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Ma'am, I would like to share.
Yes. Take your name and
Hello.
from where are you?
Yeah, I am Sonali from Bangalore. Actually, yesterday I could not connect due to some network issue. So today morning I just opened the YouTube and I just heard to your session, and I felt so nice, ma'am. I could really visualize, and I felt that my dream has come true. And I there is really some divine power in you, ma'am. I could really connect to God, and like you were the mediator who was connecting me, and my dream was fulfilled, and I was feeling so happy. I can't express what I felt. I was really feeling so happy, ma'am. And that happiness I start in that happiness I started really crying. Like, it was an emotion of happiness and joy which I could feel. And even when I wrote the affirmations, it was it was such a wonderful feeling which I felt. And there is some power in you, ma'am. I could feel you have some divine power in you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Really, it was so nice.
You're most welcome. Well, the power is all comes from God. He is the one who grants all our desires. Yes. I'm only a
Yes.
mediator in between helping you out.
Yes,
Yes, and
yes, ma'am.
and if in the
Thank you so
recording
much.
you could achieve so much, uh,
Yes, in the
the
recording I could achieve so much, ma'am.
yes. So anyway, when tomorrow and day after we are not having our class, so then you can visit the recording and do your
Yes,
exercises even two times
yes,
a
ma'am.
day, three times a day. The more you get into this zone, no,
Yes,
the more quicker will be your manifestation. That is the one. And when we come in this class, we are all like in this Zoom session in one classroom together. The energy, we are coming with one mind. It has an impact also. So from Monday onwards, you can come in the class. Tomorrow and day after, you can do
yes,
it at home in the mornings, in the afternoon, in the evening. You can see the
yes,
recordings
ma'am.
and do it. Thank you, Sonali. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Thank you for sharing. That's important. Because when you share your little, then that is multiplied. When you give gratitude for the little that you get, that gratitude is a big multiplier. It multiplies your blessings. So be ready for great blessings to come. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Anybody else would like to share? All right then. Those who are maybe not so confident of speaking here on the Zoom, you all can write it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, put in your Thanksgiving, whatever you want to say. Thanks. Has anyone seen any difference in their behavioral pattern? Because we have been this about your anger. Have you anyone of you found a shift in that you are more calm, or you are more peaceful, or you are more confident? Because we have been working on these aspects also, which are so very important. So if anyone has seen a shift in that, can also share. And if you can put it in the group also. You're free to do that. All right. Thank you. Mansi says feeling good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Mansi. Thank you. All right, now today's class, before we begin, now what I would like to do is today we'll introduce a little session on gratitude. We will write 5 things what we are grateful for, either what has happened today or in the recent past, like yesterday. Yeah, so we will write 5 things we are grateful for. We'll take out our notebooks and pens. I'll give you some time, a few minutes. Start writing your gratitude. Gratitude for anything that has happened today, that has happened yesterday. Or you can give gratitude for the food, for the shelter, for your house, for your body, for your senses. Give gratitude to God for anything, what you feel like. 5 things, you will write it down. So have you finished? If you all have finished, then we will start with our goal writing. So sit in a comfortable posture and just take a deep breath in. Let us center ourselves. Focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Release. Take a deep breath in. So get into the zone of writing your goals and desires. Write the same 3 goals what you had in the first class itself. And when you have achieved them, you will strike them out and add in new ones. So focus on these 3 goals itself. If you have finished, then take a deep breath and relax. Now you can take any posture that you want, stand or sit or whatever. And because you'll be saying affirmations, you whether loudly or in your mind. Either in front of the mirror, stand in front of the mirror and say, look into your eyes and see if you're comfortable with it. Get into the feeling of saying the affirmations, okay? And say it with conviction. Comfortable closing your eyes, you can do so. Say with meaning. And feel those affirmations are really becoming true. That they are becoming your reality right now. What you're saying is actually you, yourself. Because I'm only saying those affirmations which are pertaining to yourself, not to any other person, not to your family. We are dealing only with you, since you are there in this class. Okay? I'll begin. Let's center ourselves and start. I am safe. I am enough. I am divinely protected. I am in perfect health. I am wealthy. I am a money magnet. I am loved. I am loving. I am lovable. I am abundant. I am happy. I am amazing. I am generous. Financially free. I am fit, fine, and healthy. I am confident. I am courageous. I am bold and beautiful. I am a winner. I am prosperous. Today is the best day of my life. Today is the best day of my life. Take a deep breath in. Hold it and release. Feel these affirmations sink into your being. Take a deep breath in. You're breathing in blessings. Hold the blessings. Release gratitude. Thank God for these affirmations have become reality in your life. Again, take a deep breath in. Hold your breath. Hold the blessings. Release gratitude. So much. So much. Just remain for a second in this. Now, today we'll introduce another segment in this. Before we go into some visualization, we will write down our visualization. Okay, take your notebooks and just write. Suppose if your first wish, what you had written, first goal is achieved, how would you be feeling? What would you be doing? What will you be saying? Whom you will be telling the first thing that this thing has happened? All that. You just write it down. I'm giving you some time to write it down in detail in your own words. Like your first goal, if it has happened, how would you feel? What would be your reaction? What would be your reaction? Wow, suddenly you came to know, yeah, it's done, yeah. My money goal is achieved, my this goal is achieved. I mean, how come? So how would you write? You will feel. Write it down. You to whom you would be telling this. Describe in detail. If you are use very descriptive words like आपको कैसे लग रहा है, how कैसे बॉडी में आपके फीलिंग हो रहा है, आपका वाइब्रेशंस क्या है, आप कैसे फील कर रहे हो. अगर ये आपका गोल अकम्प्लिश हो गया, it's ready, it's done, and how you are feeling now. Write in detail. आप किसके पास जा रहे हो बोलने के लिए? Whom are you telling it? And what is that person responding? You're telling to your friends, you're telling to your family. To whom are you telling? And what they are saying? Wow, how did you do it? Great, you have done it. Write all those things. So when we imagine it, it will become easy. In which place are you right now when you get this news? Where are you? How is the place where you are standing, where you're sitting, where you got this news? How are you feeling here? लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं आपको? सब कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट कर रहे हैं. All are congratulating you. You are feeling so happy, top of the world. Yeah. So now we will begin the visualization. So take a deep breath. Hold. Release. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Release. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Release. Now remember the recent time when you were the most happiest, the happiest moment of your life. Either it is recently or whenever in your past, in your childhood, in your youth, whenever, the most happiest moment. Oh, you were so excited, you were so happy, so happy. You were just jumping with joy, some exciting news or some joke or whatever. All your friends were just having a fun time together, and you were laughing and enjoying yourself. Can you recollect that? Yes. How can you forget? Such a happy time it was, a happy moment. Wow, can you relive that? You can see all the people whom you were with when you were so excited, when you were so much laughing and enjoying. Feel the feelings right now. Can you feel it? How your face had lit up? You were smiling, you were laughing. Can you hear the laughter? How loudly you were laughing? How happy you were? How joyful? You were jumping. What were you doing at that time? You liked that moment because you were the most happy. So, in this same happiness, can you feel all these feelings in your body now? Where are you feeling it exactly? In which part of your body? Can you feel the vibrations? Can you feel the goosebumps? That how you enjoyed? Now in this same feeling, take your first goal, what you have written. Are you feeling the same happiness, the same kind of joy, the same kind of laughter? How did you feel at that time? Are you feeling that now your goal is achieved? You had this one particular desire and it is achieved. You have achieved the other two desires also. You have become more calm, more patient. You have been having these issues for so long and you were struggling with it. But now you find you are becoming more gentle, more calm, more peaceful, more tolerant. गुस्सा नहीं आता इतना अभी. More relaxed हो गए. Worry is also not there. You are easy, सब कुछ easy ले रहे हो आप. So enjoy these moments. Feel the vibrations right through your body. The sense of enjoyment, happiness. You are in this happy state. You are in this state of fulfillment. Fulfill हो गया सब. आप बहुत relaxed हो. सब कुछ हो गया. Yes, जो मुझे चाहिए था, important, जो चीज़ important थी मेरे लाइफ में, वो सब हो गए. Wow. I am so happy. I will remember this moment. And I thank God for doing this in your life, for giving this desire for you, for fulfilling this desire. Thank you, God. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful to you, God. I'm so thankful. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, Lord. Thank you so much. I know you are going to bless me more and more and more. I give you gratitude for this blessing which I have received. I give you so much gratitude. My heartfelt gratitude. दिल से निकल रही है आवाज, दिल से I'm saying thank you. Really, my heart is thumping. My heart is happy. My heart is so feeling nice. I'm feeling so joyful. Just for a while, just be silent. Experience the divine healing of God coming into you. The healing power, healing you totally, completely. Right from the crown of your head, going through all your organs in the body, your entire system, all the 5 senses are being cleansed, are made whole, all the organs, all the tissues, all the fibers, all the bones are healthy, are feeling energetic, are feeling vibrant. Look at the cells in your body, trillions of cells. See how happy they are. They are all smiling, all smileys everywhere. Trillions of cells. They are all happy and excited because you have done this thing. So as you feel the power of God flow into you, remain in this presence for some time. Take a deep breath in, hold, release. Take a deep breath in, hold, release. Take a deep breath in, hold, release. Rub your palms together and place them on your eyes. And whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Yeah. Anybody would like to share your experience? How it was? How did you feel? How was your feeling?
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Rachna Ahuja.
Yes, Rachna. Good
Ma'am,
afternoon.
I felt today my vibrations and ma'am, my visualization is increasing day by day. And today I literally cried. I felt like my dream got through, and I literally cried. And goosebumps also happened, and I was feeling like little shivering. Thank you from my bottom of my heart, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Dhanyavad. बहुत thank you.
Welcome. You're most welcome, Rachna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, Manasi is saying something. Energy, Millie, ma'am. Okay. You can write your things even in Hindi on the group. It's fine. Whatever your feelings, whatever you are feeling, the shift in your behavior, in your whatever you are experiencing, it's okay. You can write in Hindi also. We can understand that. Okay. You can share your takeaways, what you liked in the session. What part of the session you mostly enjoy. Now there are 20 participants here, so you can write what exactly was your takeaway, which segment of this you enjoyed, what do you like about these sessions, whoever have been regular. Yeah, so it would be good, nice to hear, because it would encourage एक दूसरे को encourage कर सकते हैं हम ना. We must help each other. When you receive something, you have to help somebody else. तो आपके sharing से किसी और का फायदा हो जाएगा. So don't keep it to yourself in any way. Give the little that you receive, you give. That what you give, that will be blessed and that will multiply. You know, gratitude is the biggest multiplier. आप gratitude दोगे, appreciation दोगे, then like a child जो every time thank you बोल रहा है मम्मी को, तो मम्मी और खुशी होती है ना देने के लिए. जो grumpy child रहेगा, ungrateful रहेगा, then you don't feel like giving more. So it's like that. God will be more generous in giving than you are in gratitude. This should be our takeaway actually.